I just did a full face of drugstore makeup, so if you want to see that, go ahead and check that video out. Now I'm going to do all drugstore makeup for the eyes and lips. This is the Ultimate I Know That's Bright palette. First off, I'm going to grab this orange shade and put that in my crease. Next, I'm going to take this pink shade right here with my finger, and I'm just going to tap that straight onto the lid. Oh, wow, look at that color. That's actually so freaking gorgeous. It has a good color and shimmer. This palette retails for $20. Oh, that is just gorgeous all over the eyelid. Look at that shimmer. Next, I'm going to grab this light blue shade. I'm going to put that under my eye. Low key, this is giving me my Barbie fantasy. I'm going to drag that blue out to create a little bit of a liner. One of my favorite drugstore mascaras is a Surreal Mascara from Maybelline. This mascara retails for $13. If you get mascara on your lid, just let it dry and then take a spoolie and flake it off, and it should just come right off. For lashes, I'm going to use Salon Perfect Light and Fluffy Lashes, and this retails for $7. Okay, so here's the finished eye using only drugstore makeup. Let's go ahead and finish the lip. For lipstick, I'm going to use the Milani Color Fetish lipstick, and this is in shade Pleasure, and this retails for $11. So let's go straight in. Oh, that is such a pretty shade. Ooh, that is so pretty, and it's so creamy, and it just goes on so nice. And you just get straight pigment in one swipe. I'm looking for a little more pink, so I'm going to take the shade Secrets, and I'm just going to tap that in the center. Alright, so my face is completed. Here is my full face of a drugstore makeup. Everything worked together, laid nicely, and I just think this was a very good makeup day.